At Leo AI, we're standing on a very unique area, which is not just textual, but is very much geometric. It's very much physical, and I will explain. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, all those tools are called LLMs, large language models. They're trained they're great in predicting what's the next word in the sentence. This is how they build great sentences, right? So all the training data behind them is textual. This is why mechanical engineers say that they do not like ChatGPT, they do not like Claude, because it does not understand, it does not see, it is not trained on the physical world. So us mechanical engineers, like Leo, we are solving a problem for mechanical engineers that is, a subdomain inside the subdomain of engineering, which is a subdomain inside applied sciences, which is a subdomain inside sciences. So it's a very, very niche field. It's a very niche vertical.